We have an ionic compound plus an ionic compound, which makes this a double replacement reaction. When we have a double replacement reaction, we're going to take the first and the last and we're going to put them together. So the Rb and the Cl are going to come together on the right side of the arrow. I am not going to carry over this 3 and I'm not going to carry over this 3. I am going to balance the charges now that they're on the right side together. So Rb has a +1 charge, chloride has a -1 charge. So +1 and -1 are going to balance each other or cancel. For my second compound, it's going to be third, which is aluminum, gets together with second, which is this PO4. So I'm going to write the aluminum, and then for PO4, it has a name. That's called phosphate, and notice that the 4 is part of phosphate, PO4. So I am going to put the 4 when I carry over this polyatomic ion, and now notice that the charge on phosphate has a -3 charge. So I'm going to write -3 here, and then I'm going to look up aluminum's charge, which is here. It has a +3 charge, and +3 and -3 balance with each other, and so this is going to be my products. Now I can balance the coefficients for each of these. 3 rubidiums, 1 rubidium, so I'll put a 3 here. Now we're going to balance phosphate as a bundle. So on this side I'm going to circle PO4, and on this side I'm going to circle PO4. And notice on the left there is only 1 PO4. So there's only 1. On the right side, only 1 PO4, so those are balanced. 1 aluminum on the left, 1 aluminum on the right, 3 chlorines on the left, and this 3 here counts for both rubidium and for the chlorine. So this is now a balanced equation. Final answer is rubidium phosphate and 1 aluminum chloride yields 3 rubidium chlorides and 1 aluminum phosphate.